Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, I have something which I think is really useful. It's something I've been wanting, okay? I love my little Sony earbuds, okay? These are fantastic. Link in the description down below. These are the flagship noise-canceling Sony earbuds. In fact, I'm going to put this bad boy right back in there to charge up a little bit, but really good stuff. Loving these earbuds. And you can see how that actually fits very nicely. You have both access to the Bluetooth pairing and the USB-C, so that's very good. Now let's check out the top part here. Now this part worries me a little. I thought it was like a hinge, but it looks like it's not. Oh, that does open very nicely, actually. I like the carbon fiber look too. That's really cool. All right, let's go ahead and try this. I don't think I'm going to be giving up these Sony earbuds anytime soon, so I don't mind sticking this on there. If it gets a little sticky, I don't plan on selling this or anything like that. So, in fact, I don't sell anything, guys. All right, so here's this, and it looks like this does have a direction to it. It looks like this goes on the back side. See how there's like a little indentation there for the opening? So we're just going to press it down like that. Okay, so that's good. Looking good. Again, I'm loving the matte black. Has a little hole for the light, which is really good for charging. Nice grippy sides, which is good. I like the carbon fiber that's ribbed. Has a texture to it right there. I don't know if you can see that good in the camera. It's a nice carbon fiber look to it. And then that opens very nicely, and it's very secure. Like, nothing is falling out here. So the case itself, I guess, kind of keeps it all together. And then we can click this on here. There we go, and we'll pull this through around, and now you have a nice little way of transporting this on your backpack. And I think this is pretty solid. Like, I don't think this is going to come out. Now, God forbid, honestly, if I lose this, okay, I will let you guys know in the comments. I'll say, don't buy this product, it falls off. But this looks very solid to me, so I'm going to trust this. And I do love the way you can actually see everything right back there. And of course, you can get to the earbuds very easily. Beautiful little earbuds. So anyway, guys, that's it. Great little case. I would recommend this product right now. I've heard amazing things, so I'm going to trust the process and go ahead and use this. And again, the link for this is right below. It's about 20 bucks, but it can save a lot of aggravation, okay? All right, friends, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.